Next, let's explain the main page of the dispenser. On the main page, pumps 1 to 8 are displayed at the top. Above the pump is the working time of the previous or current step. Above that is the work amount of the previous or current step. This represents the current operating status. Below corresponds to the on and off status of the valves for washing machines 1 to 8. This shows the rinse duration and the rinse countdown. Below is the air sensing, valve sensing. This corresponds to the current formula name. The status here shows the current working state. Below shows the current formula usage count. This machine's formula usage count for today is displayed. Below shows the countdown for the air blow time. Below is the ozone time countdown. The blue area below shows the queue list. Next, I will explain the secondary interface of the dispenser. Click here to enter the subpage. This is the washing machine number, ranging from washing machine 1 to 8. The 5 red dots at the top represent the 5 soap dispenser signals. The area below represents the current formula. This area represents the current washing step. This shows the washing weight for the day, the washing time for the day, the heating time for the day, the formula usage count for the day. Below is the total weight for all machines on the day, the total number of washes for the day, the total washing weight for the month, total number of sets. Click the blue button to return to the main page. Now, let's enter the password interface. Click the menu. Click the password. Here, we can open the password. Close the password and reset the password. We choose to open the password. Activate the 5-level password. Enter the 5-level password, 1001. Press Enter. Confirm that the password is now activated. When we need to change the password, click Password Reset to proceed. Click on the Level 5 password. Enter the original password, 1001. After re-entering, you can choose to modify it again. Change it to 1234. After returning, automatically saved. Reopen the 5-level password. The password is now activated. When we need to enter other interfaces, you need to enter the password. Enter the password we just saved, 1234. Press Enter to access. The password has now been successfully changed. The first step in debugging should be to perform the pump measurement operation. Next, I will explain how to perform the pump measurement. Click the menu on the main page. Select Pump Measurement. In the Pump Measurement interface, select the pump to measure in the top left corner. Select the washing machine to discharge into on the right side. Now, let's take pump 1 and washing machine 1 as an example. First, click Empty. The goal is to ensure there is no excess air remaining inside the pipe. After observing that there are no visible air bubbles in the pipe above the collector, turn off Empty. Now, let's enter the measurement time. The longer the measurement time, the more accurate the value. Here, we set it to 10 seconds. Pull out the quick plug clip at the bottom. After pulling out the quick plug clip, take out the quick release fitting. Place it in our measuring cup. Click Start Measurement. After the measurement is complete, you need to insert the quick release fitting back. Secure the quick plug clip. Now, the measured value is 295 milliliters. Enter 295 milliliters in the actual discharge section. The machine will calculate automatically the flow rate of the pump per second and how many seconds it takes to dispense 1 milliliter. We need to measure all pumps from 1 to 7. After measurement is complete, click Back. The pump measurement is now complete. Next, I will explain the second step of debugging, parameter settings. Click the menu. Enter parameter settings. Please note, after leaving the main interface, no soap dispenser signals will be received. Use the default factory settings here. For modifications, please consult an engineer. This is neutralization priority. Neutralization priority means that when neutralizing chemicals are needed, they will be queued first. Breakpoint rinse protection. This means that after the rinse time reaches the set breakpoint rinse protection time, the device will not trigger a rinse alarm. Suitable for long-distance dosing. After entering maintenance mode, no signals will be received. Rinse protection is used to monitor the water flow status of the rinse pump. If the sensor detects no water flow beyond the set time during rinsing, an alarm will trigger. Air pressure means that if there is no air pressure, an alarm will trigger. Valve sensing if pipe pressure is too high, an alarm triggers automatically. Below are the soap dispenser alarms and alarm records. The soap dispenser signal input can be detected. Soap dispenser anti-vibration. The signal lasting more than 4 seconds counts as 1. Keep the remaining settings as the factory default. Now, let's check the other side. This is the formula group settings. A formula group is formed by grouping washing machines of the same weight. The concept of formula groups is introduced because the same formula requires different dosing amounts for washing machines of different weights. Now, we can see that each washing machine corresponds to the same formula group. Each washing machine can be set to a different formula group. Below are the washing settings. This shows different formula groups. On the side, you can set the corresponding weight for each formula group. For example, formula group 1 is for 100 kilograms. Then, formula group 2 can be set to 60 kilograms. This is the average weight of the laundry, used for calculating data in the laundry plant. This is the formula name and selection checkbox. Users can check the corresponding laundry type next to each formula. The system will automatically categorize, count the proportions, and add the weight data. When unchecked, only the count is recorded. After the settings are complete, click back to save automatically. Rinse settings. In the rinse settings, you can see that each washing machine corresponds to different rinse times and air blow times. Each washing machine can be set individually here. Settings should be made based on the distance from the dispenser to each washing machine. After the settings are complete, click back to save automatically. Click on the chemical price. Here, we can view the chemical prices. The unit price is in liters. The chemical for each pump can have a different price set. Click to modify. Click here to view or set the different unit prices for each formula in each group. Click back to save automatically. Next, I will explain the third step of debugging, formula settings. Click the menu and select Formula. Here, we can view each formula group. The formula ID for each group. The name of each formula can be modified. The formula ID corresponds to the formula name. This row is for pump names. This row is for the dosing step names. Here, we can modify the pump names and step names. Click to modify the pump name. After modification, click back. This row shows the formula usage count. Only after completing all selected steps is it considered that one formula has been run. By default, only the main wash is selected. Here, we can view which soap dispenser signal corresponds to each formula. Below are the formula IDs and their corresponding soap dispenser signals. Import and export can be done by a USB to import or export formulas. Formulas can be edited below. For example, fill in 222. This means that 222 milliliters of chemicals are dispensed by pump 2 in the main wash step. Once the current formula editing is complete, click back to save automatically. Next, we will explain the input signal control methods in automatic mode. Next, let's proceed with the dosing simulation. Enter the secondary interface. Let's take washing machine 1 and formula 1 as an example. When I provide the soap dispenser 1 signal, the machine runs and recognizes formula 1. All steps turning yellow indicate that there is data for these steps, but dosing has not yet occurred. Next, provide the soap dispenser 2 and 3 signals. The pre-wash turns red, indicating that dosing is in progress. When the pre-wash step turns green, it indicates that dosing is complete. Next, we provide the soap dispenser 3 and 4 signals. The main wash step begins dosing. We provide the soap dispenser 1, 3, and 4 signals. We can see that the rinse step turns blue, indicating that it is waiting for dosing. Finally, we provide the neutralization signal, soap dispenser 2, 3, and 4 signals. When all steps turn green, it indicates that the process is complete. Next, we will explain the input signal control methods in semi-automatic mode.
I will explain to you next the working principle and working status of the single signal mode. First, we need to enter the settings interface. Select signal mode, change to single signal mode. Connect the bottom to our washing machine. Select the formula we need to add. Click Confirm to choose to use the formula. Click our knob and the formula signal goes to work. Here we go. We need to give our soap cup a signal. After giving the soap cup a signal, the 4 steps below are added. The pre-wash step will run. Give the soap cup one again. After experiencing the anti-shake time, start running the main wash step. After the main wash signal is completed, you can give the soap cup again. Rinse steps will run. Give cup one again. Start running neutralization step. After the middle and steps are completed, the machine returns to our default state. No skipping in single signal mode. Non-repeatable feeding. What I'm going to show you next is the working status and working principle of multi-signal mode. In signal mode, select for our multi-signal mode. Select the formula through the knob on the main page. Click back when selected. After selecting the formula, click the knob formula on the main page to start working. Now in multi-signal mode, requires different signal combinations to output different feeding signals. Our first signal is the pre-wash signal for soap cup 2 and soap cup 3. The main washing signal is soap cup 1. The rinse signal is soap cup 2. Neutralization signal is cup 3. When the neutralization signal is completed, the machine will reset. In multi-signal mode, the machine allows skipping and feeding. Let's give the soap cup 1 first. It will run the main wash and charge, and skips the pre-wash signal. After our main washing signal feeding is completed, give a pre-wash signal. Note that after the pre-wash signal is given at this time, pre-washing will not work. The feeding can only be started from the main wash. Here we go. Let me explain to you how the circular formula is used and how it works. Arrive at our circulation formula display. In the circulating formula, we can switch between different formulas for formula cycling. Now let's take Formula 1 as an example. When the cursor stays behind Formula 1, click the knob. The machine will automatically return to the main page. At the circular formula interface, no manual operation is required. After a 3-second countdown, the machine, Recipe 1 will run automatically. Attention please, we can now manually stop it from working. After manually stopping work for 3 seconds, we'll run Formula 1 again. When the machine is waiting for a feed signal, long press is not allowed to enter our menu interface. If we need to access our menu interface, need to stop working first, long press again to enter our menu interface. Whether it is currently waiting for the feeding signal, or when the machine is not working at all. This mode does not allow rotation of the knob. For formula switching, if we don't need to use the circular formula model, switch to this interface in the loop formula. Then the circulating formula will be closed. This is the main page of our machine. Here is the input signal display. Here is the output signal display. Here is our signal mode display. Here is the current formula display. Below is our current working status. Further down, there is a working status of our 4-step feeding. We can switch formulas by turning left or right knobs. After adjusting the corresponding formula, click the knob to switch the formula. Long press the knob. Enter the corresponding password. Enter our settings interface. Enter our settings menu. Follow the cursor to choose different settings. The first is our signaling patterns. You can choose between multi-signal mode and single signal mode. Long press the knob to automatically save and return. The next step is our soap cup anti-shake time. Adjust the soap cup time through the knob. Above is our current signal soap cup stabilization time. Long press the knob to automatically save and return. Here is our signal output time. It is also selected through the knob. The above shows our current time. Long press the knob to automatically save and return. Next are our current steps of feeding. Up to 4 steps of feeding. Long press to return. The next step is for us to hide. When our feeding step is two-step feeding, you can choose to hide the rinsing steps or hide neutralization steps. When the number of feeding times is 3 steps, default hidden pre-wash step. The next one is the formula name modification and rinse formula display. After entering, you can switch the formula through the knob. Click after confirming the formula. When the formula name flashes after clicking, click again to change the formula name. Click to switch to numbers, spaces, lowercase letters, uppercase letters. Make changes via knob. After changing one, long press to switch to the next one. Change for the same reason. When the red box below flashes, click to adjust whether to change to chlorine bleaching formula. After selection, it will be displayed at the bottom of the main page. Next is our language setting. There is a switch between Chinese and English. The next column is our password modification column. Click to enter. You can switch the password independently after entering. Next is our current machine number display. Only one washing machine number is displayed here. It doesn't do anything else. After the change is completed, the home page displays a machine number. Rotate the button clockwise once. Go to the next level interface. Here is our factory reset. Next column. This column shows it is the version number of our manufacturer and equipment. The next column is our formula cycle display. Currently no formula. The formula cycle is shown as no manual operation is required. The formula will run automatically.
Splanny.